What about a question like this? 35 subtract 18. With a number line, I can put my 35 here, and I'm going to do jumps that I find are easy. So I'm doing a 10 jump to 25, because I know 10 less than 35 is 25. So I've already subtracted 10, but I still need to subtract 8. Now 8 isn't easy for me to subtract, but I've got a very nice jump here from 25 to 20. That's one I know well. So that's a -5 jump. That takes me to 20. And I need to take away 18. I've only taken away 15 so far, so I need to take away 3 more. So from 20 minus 1 will be 19. Another one will be 18. And taking away 1 more will be 17. So I know my answer is 17 because I've taken away 10 and then 5 and then another 3, and I got to 17. Let's try doing this question using cubes, and I have laid out 35, 3 10s, 1 2 3, 5 1s, 1 2 3 4 5. So I've got 35, and I'm going to be taking away, subtracting 18. So I start with my ones column, and I can see I've got 5, and I need to subtract 8. Small problem. We haven't got 8 here. How can we subtract 8? What we could do is take one of these 10s and cut it into 10 ones, because it is actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's 10 ones stuck together. So we could cut it apart, or, making life easier, we could take 10 like this, 10 ones, and we're just checking this is 10 ones and it's the same. Take 10 ones and swap it for this 10. So this 10 came from here, and we could swap it for this 10, except this 10 is actually 10 ones. And the 10 ones would have to go in the ones column because they're ones. So we've swapped this one for this one. It's the same value, but this one is separated into ones. Okay, let's just check what we have written here. Here it tells me I've got 3 10s, and yeah, I have. I've got 1 2 3 10s, but this 10 isn't in the 10s column, so I need to change this. In the 10s column now, I only have 2 10s, and in the ones column it says I have 5 ones. These are the 5 I started with, but I've also added in 10 ones. So I've got 5 ones and 10 ones. So altogether I have 15 ones. And you can read this 15, but I've made this a small number and this one a small number, so you can see that those are numbers I've added. So is this right? 2 10s? Yep. 15 units? Yes. Now I can try again. I try my ones column. I've got 15 ones, and I need to subtract 8. Can I do that? Yes. Take away 8. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, and everything I have left goes down here. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones left, and I'm writing that here. Okay, I think I've finished my ones column. Now I look at my tens column, and I can read I have 2 tens, and I need to subtract 1 10. So I'm going to take away 1 10, and everything left I pull down to the bottom, and I need to record that in my tens column. So 2 tens subtract 1 10 is 1 10. So my answer is 10 and 7, 17.